Hi, this is Jay Sarrett with Almo, here to talk to you about our Almo installation and labor services. What we're offering here um, are labor and technicians scattered all across the country. There are over 4,000 1099 independent subcontractors offering labor services like hanging digital signage, any technology in a conference room, a huddle space, video conferencing. And our dealers are doing is using this to both augment their technicians and their local technician forces, as well as giving them the opportunity to take on projects outside their local area. One of the things that they seem to enjoy is the site surveys that we offer, allowing them for the ability to do site surveys and locations and prevent them from having to put technicians on a plane. So if you have any other further questions about how we can help you with your labor and technicians, visit almoproav.com or contact myself or your Almo rep. Thank you.